Do you spend too much time guesstimating your Earthworks projects? Whether you're a builder, estimator, contractor, engineer, or surveyor, we can make this easier, faster, and more accurate than ever before. Let me introduce MudShark. Experience a breakthrough in fully interactive 3D takeoff. We give you tools that work. MudShark's smart 3D takeoff tools enable rapid data input, and complex takeoff could not be easier. Why not let MudShark do the heavy lifting? Your Earthworks estimations will be more accurate than ever with our multiple boring solid modeling. Calculate projects where soil or rock thickness is irregular across your site. Have confidence in your takeoff with our fully interactive 3D visualization, great for verification and client presentations, which is available to you at any time throughout the process. Don't let plans slow you down. MudShark supports PDF, CAD, and image files. No matter what format, metric, or imperial, we've got you covered. Working on large-scale projects? Not a problem. MudShark allows you to align drawings and stitch multiple drawings together. With MudShark 3D cross-sections, you can not only build your site, you can now break it down and examine it. MudShark in place 3D cross-sections provide a tremendous advantage over traditional cross-sections, providing context and interactively giving you the power to truly understand your site and produce more accurate estimates. From simple to complex trench and pipe networks, MudShark is making your estimating easier. Depth categories, automated clash detection, and interactive 3D are just some of the many tools to get you over the line faster. Why not delve even deeper with MudShark's material reuse tool, giving you greater control like never before? Clear, detailed results are generated with a click of a button. MudShark easily allows you to select stripping and respread values, and then specify selected materials to be reused throughout your project. No need to change your existing software. MudShark easily exports to Microsoft Excel and leading estimating systems. Interested? With our flexible licensing and affordable pricing, find the fastest and most up-to-date Earthworks program with MudShark.